All right, we put the new transmission Kickstarter oil seal into the tranny cover. Filled it full of oil. Started the bike. It's idling now. Sounds good. Comes off of idle nicely. Idling a little high, but it doesn't sound high, which is interesting. It sounds lower than it's showing. Okay. All right, I expect we'll do a spec road test and call her good. All right. Starts okay, runs okay, idles okay, comes off idle smooth. Watch the petcocks. They're actually marked reverse. One is on when it's pointing up, the other one's on when it's pointing down. A little strange. Watch your petcocks to make sure you got gas flowing when you think you've got gas flowing. All right, let's put the seat on, take it for a ride.